Alright, so in the last video I installed the canopy on my ute. If you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. Today we're taking the next step, getting this King's 4x4 awning mounted up and ready for camping trips. It should be a straightforward setup, but like anything, a bit of prep work makes all the difference. Here's how the roof racks were sitting before. So instead of trying to work it out around the car, I decided to pull the rack off the car to make life easier. With the racks on the bench, it's way easier to line everything up properly, mark out the holes for the brackets. I will say get this right and avoid problems later. Take a bit of time, measure and double check everything, because once you drill, there's no going back. Nice and steady, making sure the holes are clean and lined up with the brackets. To do that, I clamped the brackets onto the rack. You don't have to do this if you trust your measurements. Alright, bolting everything together now. Nothing fancy, just make sure it's tight, secure, and not going anywhere. These brackets are what's going to carry the awning, so you want them rock solid. There you go. With the brackets mounted, the racks go back onto the canopy. This part's pretty straightforward. I did it on my own, but definitely easier with an extra set of hands if you've got one. There you have it. Now for the final step, mounting the awning itself. Lining it up. Slotting it into place. And bolting it down. Again, I did this on my own, as you can see, but definitely easier with an extra set of hands. And that's it, awning installed and ready to go. Simple job overall, just takes a bit of planning and patience to get it right. Now it's one step closer to being ready for camping. If you found this helpful, check out the canopy install video as well, and stay tuned, there's plenty more to come.